In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a VPN on iPhone. This process is straightforward and will enhance your online security. Let's dive right in. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. You can find the App Store icon on your home screen. It looks like a blue square with a white letter A inside. Tapping on this icon takes you to a world of apps. The App Store is where you can find thousands of applications, including VPNs. It's essential to use the official App Store to avoid security risks. This ensures that you are downloading legitimate applications that protect your privacy. Next, tap the Search tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab is usually represented by a magnifying glass icon. Once you tap it, you will see a search bar appear at the top. In this space, you can type the name of the VPN you want to download. Common options include Proton VPN, NordVPN, and ExpressVPN. By using the search function, you save time and quickly find the app you're interested in. Now, search for the VPN you want. Simply type in the name of your chosen provider and hit search. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature can help you find the exact app faster. Make sure you select a VPN that is known and trusted. This is important for ensuring your data remains secure and private. After you find the VPN app, verify that it is published by the official developer. Check the app details listed below the app name. You want to ensure this information matches that of the trusted provider's website. This step is crucial for your online safety. Downloading apps from unverified developers can expose you to malware and other security threats. Next, tap the Get button to start downloading the app. This button is usually green and located on the right side of the app listing. Once you tap Get, the button will change to say Installing. You will then see a progress circle indicating the download status. This visual cue lets you know that the app is being installed on your device. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password. This step ensures that only you can download or purchase apps on your device. It adds an extra layer of security to your account. After successful authentication, the app will continue to download and install. Once the app finishes downloading, tap Open. This button appears immediately after the installation is complete. Tapping Open will launch the VPN app for the first time. You'll be greeted with a welcome screen, which often provides an overview of the app's features. This moment is exciting as you are about to enhance your online privacy and security. Now sign into your existing account or create a new one. If you are a new user, you will need to supply some basic information to set up your account. This process typically involves entering your email and creating a password. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. This step is vital because it allows you to access all the features and benefits of the VPN service. After signing in, follow the on-screen prompts. The app may ask for permission to add VPN configurations to your iPhone. When prompted, tap Allow. This step enables the app to create the necessary settings to establish a secure connection. It's a simple yet essential action that allows the VPN to function properly on your device. Finally, choose a server and tap Connect to start using the VPN. You will see a list of available servers, often categorized by location. Selecting a server is crucial as it determines your online location and can affect your internet speed. Once connected, you will see a notification indicating that the VPN is active. Remember, many VPN apps are free to download, but some require a subscription. Always download VPN apps from the App Store and choose a reputable provider. This helps protect your privacy and security while online. Enjoy your secure browsing.